Audio Jungle.
This is High-Tech News TV News. In Chennai, Patterson Cancer Center Private Limited has completed its 22nd years and entered into the 23rd anniversary. It has been started with the purpose of cancer-free society in India by none other than the 11th President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the chairman of Patterson Cancer Center prior to becoming the President of India. Patterson Cancer Center maintains its purpose of conducting awareness camps for both children and general public, free cancer detection camps and continuing medical education for general physician and specialist. The inaugural function was attended by more than 100 people. In this occasion, Sri N. Arunachalam, the retired district judge, was presiding over the function. Dr. B. Kumaravel, MD, Managing Director of Vijaya's Nursing Home, has nicely explained that the simple tumor marks can give you a clue of possibility of the cancers even though the persons may be looking normal. Dr. S. Krishnan, MD, Managing Director of Srinivasan Rajalakshmi Memorial Hospital, has requested in his address that the Deputy Mayor should conduct similar awareness camps within the Greater Corporation of Chennai. Dr. Soundararajan, nephrologist, was also requesting the Deputy Mayor to start compulsory cancer detection camps for all the corporation workers, employees in the respected corporation hospitals. Sri Eldred Kumar from producer was thrilled about the whole event and thanking Patterson Cancer Center team for conducting public camps at Tangachi Madam where he was born. He was relating his association with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam when he was young. The Deputy Mayor Sri Mahesh Kumar spoke well about the importance of such camps and narrated the role of corporation in bringing health awareness and sanitation of the public places to prevent and disease for the which he as a mayor as a part of. Dr. Adrash Raghavan, MS, Usha Vijayaraghavan, MD, and Director of Patterson Cancer Center, Dr. S. Vijayaraghavan, MD, Clinical Oncologist and Managing Director, Patterson Cancer Center, welcomed all the participants attending the camp. Sri P.T. Govindarajan, Trustee, served the vote of thanks and the ceremony ended with national anthem.